हे हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सोलगम। और इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है हम सबकी चहेती और मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त फ्लोरा साइनी। फ्लोरा, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर मतलब 2020 में आपके बहुत हुआ सम्मान, आर्या एंड नाउ दरबान, तो ट्रिपल बोनांजा, तो सब ह्यूज कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट यार।
Thank you so much, Divya, and it's so good to see you. I am so happy. Lockdown हो कुछ नहीं हो, हम लोग मिलते रहने चाहिए, है कि नहीं?
ये लॉकडाउन हुआ उसके पहले भी हमने लास्ट इंटरव्यू किया था एक साथ। और अब
For Darban, and
और
we're meeting again for Darban.
बट दरबान के बारे में बताइए फ्लोरा।
Yeah, I think Darban came at a very beautiful time in my life, and ये जो delay भी हुआ है ना in the release, I think what a divine plan. I'm to just grateful to God because when I signed Darban, I really had no work, I had no image. This was much before Stree. And I was doing an ad with Bipin sir, and he said, by the end of the day, he said, "मैं एक film कर रहा हूँ. Would you like to be a part of it?" I said, "Yes," because I didn't have work. दूसरा, I worked with Bipin sir for the ad, and I knew his sensibilities, the way his mind and thought process went. Amazing person to work with. So all of that, and I had no reason to say no to Bipin sir. I just knew. Also web space जो हम अभी experience कर रहे हैं problems जो भी वो तो उस time था नहीं. So I had happily said yes, and then the film took its own time to get made and released. I am just grateful कि इतने time स्त्री आई, गंदी बात आई, आर्या आया, इतना सब कुछ आया, and I also somehow people over the last couple of releases of mine started thinking of me as this glamorous girl who can only do glamorous work, and Darban has just come at the right time where it's kind of a shell shocker for people. Oh my God, is this the same girl? ये भी कर सकते हैं ना? I want that to happen, and I'm just so grateful to Bipin sir for giving me that opportunity to have that trust in me to pull off something which was actually very difficult, and to God for giving this. वो बिल्कुल carefully उसको time करके लेके आया ना, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
बट ये जो क्वेश्चन आपने जो बात की, मेरा भी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उसी से रिलेटेड था कि ओटीटी की बात करेंगे तो यू आर लाइक द ग्लैम क्वीन आउट देयर। एक आपकी एक इमेज बनी है, एंड इट टेक्स टाइम टू मेक अ बिल्ट अप अ इमेज अपनी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में, जहाँ पे एवरी डे लोग आते रहते हैं, नए कलाकार आते हैं, इतने सारे कलाकार लोग आते हैं, ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स इतने हैं, उसमें आपने एक इमेज बनाई है। तो अब आप क्या थोड़े से नर्वस है कि दरबान माइट ब्रेक दिस इमेज?
So actually that's a beautiful thing you said, because इससे पहले मैं जितनी भी interviews कर रही थी, we were just talking about, आपकी एक image है, but what a beautiful thing you said कि वो image बनाने के लिए भी there's so many actors जिनकी कोई भी image, like even I was, before I got Stree and Gandhi Baat, even I had no image, right? Which is again a beautiful thing because you're like water, you just fit into any vessel that you put into, and it's a beautiful phase to be in. But when you have an image, वो भी एक blessing है because आपने कोई ऐसा काम किया होगा जो लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया, and that's why you have an image. But I have been fortunate that I had good friends learned through my mistakes. जो भी मेरी journey है, मैंने अपनी mistakes से ही सीखा है. And this time around, I was just lucky to have certain people around in my life who told me कि listen, you'll get a lot of work, similar kind of work. You have to be brave enough to say no, because काम पहले तो हम काम आ जाए उसकी प्रे करते थे, अब काम आ रहा है तो उसको बोल रहे हैं कि भाई अभी ये नहीं दो, कुछ और दो. तो you have to be choosy, and because the industry doesn't function, they don't think like how we do. हम काम, we treat work and stories like stories.
Of course.
Which is what I was telling someone कि a Demi Moore could do a striptease, could do a ghost, could do a J.I. Jane. Nobody said, अरे आपने striptease किया तो अब ऐसे ही roles करें. She got variety. But I don't know what the problem is कि हम लोग यहाँ पे we can't think of actors to do beyond, what they have done and done successfully. And she has done everything successfully.
True.
So I think that change is required with the kind of content that's going, and it is required in people's mind. कि अगर कोई स्त्री कर सकता है in an industry where everybody wants to look pretty. Dhanak again was different.
Wow, I love Dhanak.
Randi Baat is different, है ना? So sweet. And this one again is different. So yeah, maybe we are actors and we can act. We just waiting for we're waiting for different. So I have said no to a lot of similar work because एक गायक भी सेम गाना रोज रोज गाएगा तो वो बोर हो जाएगा, सेम खाना आप रोज खाएंगे तो बोर हो जाओगे. तो I have been choosy. Yes, I've had to be choosy because you don't want to be repetitive and you don't want people to then only see you like that. तो I think लोगों का दिमाग में थोड़ा सा change होना है, which I think with lot of the Netflix and all this coming in, world cinema exposure जो अभी घर बैठे सबको है, उससे थोड़ा हो जाए तो कमाल हो जाए.
एक और चीज इसमें खासियत ये है कि शरद केलकर एंड शारिब दो मंचे हुए कलाकार आपके साथ है इस पूरी फिल्म में. शारिब ने तो ओटीटी पे मतलब लास्ट 5-6 जो वेब सीरीज बेस्ट वाली है, ही इज बीन पार्ट ऑफ ऑल दोस ओटीटी. एंड शरद ने तो इस साल की सबसे बड़ी ब्लॉकबस्टर हिट फिल्म दैट इज तानाजी, द ओनली ब्लॉकबस्टर हिट फिल्म ऑफ 2020, तानाजी में इज प्लेड छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज. तो ये दोनों भी आपके साथ है, तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद देम?
Amazing experience, and I think that's why I love Bipin sir, and I can go on saying that because जब हमने ये shoot किया था, like I said before Stree also, I was nobody, like nobody knew me. Rasika also was not had not catapulted to the heights that she has. Sharib had done Filmistan. We knew him from Filmistan,
of course.
And Sharad of course was the star.
So
Sharib was, post I don't know how we connected. He was my Facebook friend. So I knew a lot about his life through Facebook, but I never met him, didn't have his number, kuch nahi. And straight I meet him on set, and I'm like, isko to main janti hu, ye to mera Facebook friend hai. And Sharib has been the sweetest one, very humble and, very dedicated. Sharad is the naughty one. He loves to goof around. He's like a total Mad Max. And set पे, I remember even in the most difficult scene that I had, क्योंकि मेरा emotional burst है उसमें, and Bipin sir सुबह से मुझे तैयार कर रहे हैं कि today you had this scene and you have to like really think about it because I don't have a child. So like when we do advertisement, so I can play the happy mom who's with it and all smiley, but to emote the sense of loss of your own child, I said, मेरे को तो child का भी connection. I mean, I think I am a child. So वो connection में कैसे दिखाऊं? So it was tough. And when we got into the zone, we did it. And उसके बाद पहले तो long shot में shoot किया. फिर वो Bipin sir said, अब मैं close में आऊँगा. I said, oh my God, now I have to perform because long में तो मेरे face दिखा नहीं. Close में emotion दिखेंगे, so I have to do good. So while they were changing the lens and the magnifications, Sharad and we were sitting on the side and Sharad started joking. And जो मेरा सुबह से zone बना हुआ था वो टूट I am also laughing and joking. Suddenly I look on the side. Sharib का भी close है. Sharib is walking all alone, not talking to anyone and thinking very hard, अभी ऐसा करेंगे तो वैसा करेंगे. I said, my God, that is an actor and there's so much to learn because he's so dedicated to his craft, which is why people, like we all praise him and we love him is because वो काम का dedication दिखता है. And thanks to Bipin sir, sorry, my question से थोड़ा deviate हो गया. At a time when we were nobodies, right? He chose us. And we've always told Bipin sir, sir, don't you think for your first Hindi film, you should have taken somebody a little more saleable because we've had this journey, with sir. And he said, nahi, because if when I thought of the film and I'd already spoken to you guys, उसके बाद मैंने सिर्फ तुम लोगों को imagine किया as those characters. I don't want anybody. I'm fine with you guys. And look at the trust. And I think God's been so kind. It's his trust and belief because वो film बनने के बाद release आज तक हमने बीच में जितना भी काम किया ना सबने, we would get this one call from Bipin sir. अरे तूने ये क्यों किया? अरे तूने ये बहुत अच्छा किया. Whatever. He had a feedback and he really felt happy for us and pepped us up. So I think today we feel कि हम थोड़े से तो advantages चाहे हो विपिन सर के लिए, it's our privilege, you know, it'll be our honor.
अच्छे इंटेंशन से उन्होंने शुरू किया था, टचवुड अच्छी इंटेंशन से आप करते हैं तो वो नतीजा हमेशा अच्छा ही आता है. एंड यस, आज ये बहुत बड़ी एक प्रॉपरली स्टार स्टडेड फिल्म दिखती है जो सिनेमा हॉल में अगर रिलीज होती तो और भी अच्छा बिजनेस करती. बट नेवरदलेस इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेटफॉर्म, ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म पे लोग घर पे है, दे कैन वॉच इट. कमिंग बैक टू योर स्माइल थिंग, यू आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने अक्सर देखा है लोगों ने माधुरी दीक्षित के साथ आपको कंपेयर किया, एंड दे ऑलवेज सेड यू गॉट दिस $1 million smile and a killing personality. Does this combination help you to get those glamorous roles also, and side by side roles like दरबान जहाँ पे आप एक properly intense performance भी, आपको लगता है ये आपके पास एक benefit है?
I haven't really experienced. अभी तो मैं जिस फेज में हूँ मुझे यही सुनने को मिलता है, ग्लैमरस रोल है, फ्लोरा को बुला लो, ग्लैमरस. सो आई थिंक वो एक, आई एम ऑल्सो वेटिंग, एंड दरबान बीइंग something that I'm totally banking on, that at least people should start seeing a variety, which I think last couple of work जो मेरा आया है उसमें they somehow stopped seeing me, but this is an opportunity, and I think everything happens at it is divine timing. नहीं तो ये अप्रैल में रिलीज हो जाती, right?
True.
The fact that it's releasing now, I think it is happening at its own time and for something better, good.
But Flora, आप अग्री करेंगे कि नहीं, क्योंकि नॉट जस्ट यू आर माय फ्रेंड, उसके लिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ, बट एक आपके फेस में एक नाइवनेस है, एक भोलापन है जो, डू यू फील ये आपका एक प्लस पॉइंट ऐड होता है? हेलन जी जब ग्लैमरस रोल्स करती थी तो शी नेवर लुक चीप, शी नेवर लुक, ये मैंने आपको अक्सर कहा है कि जब आपके साथ भी ये चीज हुआ है कि यू नेवर लुक चीप और वल्गर. ग्लैमरस रोल्स तो बहुत लोग करते हैं लेकिन काफी लोग कर नहीं पाते उसे. देयर इज अ वेरी थिन लाइन बिटवीन दैट वल्गैरिटी एंड चीपनेस एंड सेंशुअसनेस. यू नेवर क्रॉस दैट लाइन. यू फील that help, your face helps for that?
Well, I hope so. I never thought like that. मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं. मेरा concentration रहता है more than how it's look. Wow, I should think, but मेरा concentration ज्यादातर set पे रहता है अपनी lines पे. मैं monitor भी कभी नहीं देखती. And I'm just, once I sign a project, it is like, okay, जैसा मुझे बोल रहे हैं करने को मैं वैसा करके जाऊं, and the director at the end of the day should say, good job. That's it. That's my, a good day at work. But I think that has been an advantage. And now that you say it, I think ऐसा ही रहे तो अच्छा है, because I can jump this and that.
Yes.
That variety has, like, again, Demi Moore, I don't know for what reason she's in my mind today. That should be there. Or even, I don't know, I really feel, Angelina Jolie, all these girls have given such variety. They've done everything, है ना? तो यहाँ पे भी वैसा होना चाहिए. They should take us actors to be actors and telling different stories which has different genres. That's it.
So being a glam queen, pros and cons क्या होता है? Majorly, how do you deal with all those trolls and people with that wrong perspectives or something, perceptions वाले? How do you deal with them?
Sometimes I reply on Insta. Sometimes बहुत मतलब ऐसे कुछ भी लिख देते हैं, and मैं कभी मूड में होती हूँ टांग खींचने की तो मैं लिख भी देती हूँ, but I make it funny. And something amazing that I've noticed कि if a boy writes something demeaning and I do reply, most of the time I don't, but when I do reply, I have another 10 boys or 5 boys who will write in my support and criticize that one girl. And I'm like, God, I am so happy for this country that men like you exist. And that kind of, I think actors need to do that, because you need to tell the gentleman breed to be strong enough to talk and not let some troller to just talk anything, nonsense. Because if it's me today, it could be any, some lady from your family. So they really have no sense in what they speak. Again, what people write, I think it's just what they see. They perceive me to be that person जो
screen पे देखते हैं.
But I have always, I mean, you know this, and a lot of my closest friends know कि जो मैं हूँ real life में और जो मैं like whatever work I've done, there's a lot of difference, and I enjoy that. I'm like a homebody. I have very few friends. I like it like that. I love shocking people कि अरे हम तो ये सोच रहे थे ये ऐसी है. Very good. So
Well, you are a
yeah,
sweetheart, and और इसके बाद आपका क्या हो रहा है? I'm sure there are a couple of more web series coming. Please उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
so December, there is Darban on the 4th, and there is Poroshpur on the 29th. Again on Z5 and Lord Balaji, which I'm really excited about, from the same team of Gandhi Baat. So it is really one of its kind series, very very different. उसके बाद Inside Edge season 3, I don't know कब आएगा, वो भी we have shot for, and City of Dreams season 2, वो balance इसलिए है because Ejaz is in Big Boss.
Right.
So we're just waiting for him to come back whenever.
Wow. चलिए, all the best for everyone, everything, और आप safe रहिए और ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहिए.
Thank you. It was lovely seeing you. Take good care of yourself.
Seriously,
And I
you
will.
too. मिलते हैं जल्द. Yeah, take care.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.